My name is Go, and we've been living here in Greely since 2005. And we've decided to go ahead with this wonderful metal roof last year because we were taking a walk one day in the neighborhood and we saw one of your installation, and from there we took the phone number and we put it aside, and after that we got this kind of announced into this magazine that we took in the mailbox. And from there I said to Joanne, I think we should give them a call and see how much it costs. And Robert came over and we sat down. He really took care of us, very professional, always listening to what we were looking for, because we told them that we're not moving from here anymore. And based on the winter we had the previous year, where we had a lot of freezing rain, so a lot of time I had to climb on the top, crashing ices with an hammer, and one day I remember I almost felt from the roof, and that's why we said, okay, we got to take of our safety also. This is something we explained to Robert, and also twice we had water damage into our kitchen. The water was coming from the ceiling. So we said, okay, we'll go ahead, and from there the team came over and they did all the job. We were more than happy to get this done, and we just had a full winter with this new roof and no problem at all, no surprise, and then also save us on heating, because of the way that the metal is installed and it absorbs the heat from the sun. We've also noticed a difference into our heating bill. When the job is done, your team really take care of all the cleaning around the house. There's no nails, there's no paper, there's no plastic, there's no leftover of whatever metal they left around. And they also took a walk with us around the house, because there's a lot of movement into the 2 days that they were here, and they are really thinking about our safety, because metal really cut. And May is on and the summer is coming, so for sure we're always outside. So I was more than happy that before the last guy left, he took a walk with us and he said, if ever you see something, we'll be more than happy to clean it out. And I said, well, no problem. And we were more than happy to write a review, because we really care of the job you guys done here on site. And I strongly recommend this company, because from A to Z, they really take care of all the job. And budget-wise, we were okay with the price that they gave us. And we feel comfortable to come home every day after work and see that, wow, we have such a nice house. And also in the neighborhood, people always stop by and say, oh, who did your roof? And I keep repeating the same name of the company, and I keep repeating to everybody, you have this in your mailbox, give them a call, and they'll be more than happy to stop by. Robert is here all the time to take care of people in our neighborhood.